Good morning, guys. Got another one of Spencer Hunt's 3D designs. Might have to do a little bit of work to free it up. Because my settings are leaving it all a little bit stringy, so where these should slide in and out of each other, they've got little bits of stringy filament sticking them together. So we'll work on that. Yeah. That's it. That's what it does. Just a bit of fun 3D printing by Spencer Hunt. Links in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.